because, okay, today we are talking about the best mom bags. Whether you're a working mom, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you're a cool mom, I feel like we got it covered.
Yeah, you're all of those moms. You could be all of it.
Thank you.
That's Tammy right there. She's every single thing that she just mentioned.
Stop. I'm mainly the working mom. Okay. But this is Claudia, and if you guys haven't seen the previous video, Claudia is her IG is luxejour.claudia. If you guys want to follow her, I'm luxejour.tammy, and we work here at Luxe de Jour. Yes. So we are in the Irvine, California head office right now. So come by and visit us if you're in Orange County. But let's get into it. Yes. Let's start with your mom bag.
So you mentioned all the moms, but there is one more mom.
Oh, which one?
A pet mom.
Oh my goodness, because I don't have a pet, so I didn't even think of that. A doggy mom, how could I forget?
I'm a pet mom. I have 2 small dogs at home. So this is my go-to bag for walking my dogs, going out to grab a coffee with them. I mean, it carries everything. If I need, I carry wipes for my dogs because I don't like dirty paws. So you're going to be able to fit everything in here. The bum bag. This is the classic. This bag sold out so fast.
They never last at Luxe de Jour. I don't even know if this is available or this just recently sold. Did you
This was available.
Oh, this was available.
This is available. So again, this is come on, you're just going to throw this on.
Yeah.
And you're just going to get ready to go out. You can
walk your dog,
grab your coffee, you're in your sweats, or you know what? You also are that mom that just left Pilates.
Yeah.
And you're just putting everything back and you're just ready to go to your next thing, and you have to run errands, you have to go grocery shopping. This is it. I mean, it is so easy. Open, close, get your things.
I see it. I see it for any type of mom, because if you're a mom that wears a diaper bag, you want to be hands-free. You're carrying the diaper bag, you're carrying the stroller.
Exactly.
Or you're also the working mom. I mean, you maybe have a work tote.
Yeah, and then you need this in.
Yeah, and when you're not using this, you can toss this into pretty much any tote as well.
And grab and go. And again, if you have your children too who absolutely need to have their little mini cars or their little toys or their fidgets, throw it in. Everything fits in here.
Can I see something?
Sure.
I feel like my toddlers, because the zipper is kind of hidden, they wouldn't be able to get in.
No.
I don't know if you guys have little nosy little nosy toddlers. I have to buy bags considerate of, well, my kids know how to open that bag.
Yeah, they won't go in this.
Because because my tote bags, they see anything. Anything. Hands are in, my notebook's missing, my pens are missing, their juice boxes somehow ended up in there.
This is your go-to. It's so easy. Open, get whatever it is they need, your snacks, your granolas, your toys, give it to them, close it up.
I think you can even fit a water bottle in this.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Hiking moms.
Yeah. Oh.
Cool moms.
Yeah.
You wearing your dad sandals, your sunglasses. You want to just have your phone in your hand, take a nice selfie while you're out and about having brunch.
This is it.
That's a really good pick.
Yeah.
That's a really good one. Okay, let me see mine. Sticking with the Louis Vuitton theme. Okay, you guys can totally tell that I'm a working mom because all my selections are totes. But really good totes.
Yeah, they are really good totes.
The On the Go. I love this bag. Here's why. Don't hate it until you try it. Because my toddlers spill a lot of things.
Where? On the inside or the outside? Okay.
You just never know. You're near them. Oops, Mom, my ice cream. No, I can't. You don't have the toddlers anymore. No. Let me remind you what a nightmare that was, okay? But the canvas is just so easy to clean up. I don't have to worry about it. Inside, I have insert organizer for all my bags, so it's protected.
Antibacterial.
Yeah, in case they spill anything in there, drop anything in there, my insert felt easy. I like to keep it organized. This is the medium size, so the MM size, so I love the size for me just because I'm more petite, and this will hold what I need. I need to bring water bottles for them, snackies for them, need to bring my stuff as well, and my laptop will fit, but it'll stick out because I have the bigger laptop if I fit it this way.
And if you have a smaller pochette, you can stick it in there.
I could fit your bum bag in here.
Yeah, you can.
That's what I mean.
Will it fit?
Yep, it will. And remember, the GM size will fit this and more.
Yeah.
So that's what I love about this bag. Oh, I didn't even show you guys.
Oh, the straps. Yes.
How many totes give you comfortable leather strap? Because there is a bone I have to pick with another tote bag, another mom bag I'm gonna show. But I like that you can,
this
have
is
that.
Nice convertible.
It's a convertible bag.
Yeah.
Please, designers need to make more
They
convertible bags, more functional bags for us.
They actually do, because this is, I mean, you can switch from day to night with this bag. And if you're meeting up with your other moms, this is also a bag you're going to bring with you.
Yeah, and how I justify this bag is you're paying for 2 bags in one, because you carry this bag. Oh, you got a light caramel brown bag. Bam! You got another different bag, depending on what you're wearing. I mean, that's so. I really love this bag.
And if you're
for
meeting
moms.
up with your mom friends, this is it.
This is Sunday brunch also.
Yeah.
Church also.
Church also. More snacks.
Okay, what do you got next?
My next pick is
More LV.
it is the Cluny BB. This is so cute.
Okay,
I
tell me
love
why.
it. Why? It is a classic top handle. If you watched our previous video, we talked about top handles. You just carry it like this in your nook. But like Tammy mentioned with the bag previously, convertible, has a crossbody strap.
I like this better than the thin one.
Yes, this is comfy.
Yeah, this is so comfy. It's sporty. It is cool, mom.
It's thick. It is nice. But this is also, you know, I have to say, this is the mom who is going to Disneyland. Okay, I have to say that. This is
So
I would wear this to Disneyland.
Easy to get in and out of. Wait, look.
How easy was that?
It's magnetic.
You didn't
closure.
have to fight
No,
to-
you don't have to worry about zipping in and out. Your kids are screaming. Don't worry.
You didn't
Mom
have-
to
yes,
the rescue.
You didn't have to fight. And then you get
Yeah.
those ears. I mean, I'm plugging Disneyland right now.
Disneyland sponsor us.
Yes, Disneyland sponsor us, Club 33. Here we come. Put your ears in here, you know, just take it out,
can
put it
totally
on.
fit that.
Yeah.
And then, like, when you're going to Disneyland or those trips, like, this is a great bag for yourself.
Yes.
But your stroller will have all your other kids' stuff.
You can hook this onto the stroller.
Yes.
Easy.
Easy.
Easy. This is why I
Canvas
picked this.
again. No worries except for the vachetta.
Yeah. And then one more thing that I love why I chose this, older moms. This is a classic.
What? I was gonna say younger
Younger
moms, because
moms,
this was
really?
like, this gives me like a little youth. This makes me feel young again. What are you guys' thoughts?
I know. What are your thoughts? But I feel like you're more on, you have teenagers, so you're not worrying about things being spilled on your bag. We're not worrying about carrying those water bottles, you know, wet naps, anything like that.
I know what you mean by older moms.
Older moms,
the
like-
moms that already have the grown
children.
You don't have to worry about.
Yeah. This is perfect for those moms too. So this is why I picked that classic bag. And again, transition day to night.
Day and night for sure for this one.
This is a beautiful bag.
I wasn't sure when you said day and night for this one, to be honest. I like this one for day and night. Yeah, I like this one. I totally see this one during the day. And then worn, dressed up.
Take the straps
Take
off,
the strap off.
hide it in.
And what's great about this bag?
Yeah.
Girl math again. Take the strap, put it on a different bag.
Yes.
You have a different, like those mini pochette accessoires.
Yes.
I would throw this guy on.
I've done that with my Neverfulls.
Yeah.
I tuck my Neverfull in. I take this strap and I put it on.
Yeah. I
That's what I've done.
saw the double zip pochette, and I think this would look
This would
so
look
good
really
with that.
nice with
Yes.
That will probably be our next one.
Okay, that's gonna be our next
Yes.
video. Let us know what you guys want us to review next. There's like
Please.
4,000 different bags here at Luxor Store.
Yeah.
Like we can't
Do
review
you-
them all.
Like if you want to know more about how to convert
Yes.
bags, how to get the
Yes.
best use out of multiple bags, let us know.
Okay, I promise this is my last Louis Vuitton bag, but don't come for me and say I am basic. Don't say the B
This
word.
is not basic.
Right? Because I
Look
wanted
at the color.
Yes, and I wanted epi. Okay, that was my main speaking point. It was not necessarily the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in Monogram or the Damier Benet, but epi. Okay, because epi is it's very, very durable leather.
Is it?
Okay.
Oh.
Yes, it's like Epsom to me, and it's more sleek. It doesn't have all the logos on it. I really like the Goyard, but I don't like the logos all over it. So I like a
see.
tote that is a little bit more subtle. So you only see that.
I never thought of that because I'm always eyeing epis, but I never
Yeah.
thought about how
Why do
durable
they not
are.
make epi leather that much anymore? And then you get the little detachable pouch. And as a mom, you want to transition this bag from night to day. You can, because during the day you wear the Neverfull
Yes.
tote, and then you take
this
this guy.
out.
You have a wristlet on the go.
I feel like epis are classic. This is going to be a
but
bag.
people don't like it because they want the print all over, right?
The prints came back as it's a trend.
But quiet luxury is going strong in 2024.
Exactly.
Yes.
And so this is going to be your quiet luxury. We're coming back to this.
Yeah.
So this is the bag.
Orange is not my ideal color, but it's like Hermes, iconic orange. If you think of it like
that. But it's
that.
a really nice spring bag. This is what you're going to bring out.
Spring and summer.
Right. You're transitioning now into spring, summer. Bring this bag out. I mean, look, I'm wearing a pastel blue.
That
it's
would look
complementary.
really nice.
The colors match. This is such a classic color to bring out at this time of the year.
Yeah.
Why not pop of color? This is it.
I personally would have loved this Epi Black, but it's already sold out. Let's see your next bag.
Okay, so my last, well, not my last bag.
Yeah, you have
Excuse
two
me.
more.
I have two more. Okay, this is my last Louis Vuitton, again, mom bag. Why? Why did I pick a bucket? Why did I pick a classic bucket? Look at that. Look at all that space. I mean, you can put, again, we're talking about mom bags, luxe du jour of water bottles, all the snacks and everything.
I actually know so many moms that actually own this bag.
Yes,
it's true.
It's
like,
this is the true mom bag. I mean, you can wear this on your shoulder. You can convert
Adjust it,
You can adjust it
crossbody.
and my favorite part is the divider.
we need organization in life
Yes.
because if you're a mom, you know you got chaos in
Yeah.
your life. Any organization will take it.
Yeah, I mean the fact that it's built in is even nicer. That you get to reach in and grab your wallet, do your thing, or your phone, but everything is organized. Maybe the front part is for the child, your kid. The back part belongs to you. But my favorite part is this. Oh, the cinch.
It's just so easy to get in and out of.
Yeah.
I see actually when I drop off my kids to school, I see actually a lot of moms wear this bag.
Yeah.
Pick up and drop. It's just so easy to
It
get
is.
in and out
It's
of.
such an easy bag, and the best part is it comes in different sizes. But this, to me, is a classic size. I love this, and
I love it in the emprunts.
so pretty, and it's so soft. It just feels.
That's
so
a good
good.
pick.
Yeah.
And my last
Your
one,
last pick?
My last one and my absolute favorite one. That
You have
actually
this.
sold already. I have this bag.
Yeah.
I own this bag. And this comes in the grained like caviar calfskin leather, or it comes in the more famous like canvas, fabric
So
leather.
why did you choose this? Because you do own this.
I do own it. Okay, because I needed to fit my laptop. Because working mom again, like I need a tote bag that I can wear just if I needed to wear it to work or I'm picking up my kids after school.
Yeah.
I just need it to do everything. But I love it because it has the shoulder straps. I mean, and the shoulder strap
straps
option
and the
as well
handle.
as the handle. And it is the perfect size for me, and I am a Chanel girly.
Yes, you
I
are.
love Chanel more than Louis Vuitton. I love Hermes more than Chanel, but I just love to collect Chanel and Hermes because they constantly go up in price. Like, I
This
knew
is
when
an
I bought
investment.
this, yes, when I bought this was 4 years ago. It was only, this is Canadian price, I think 3,800 Canadian. So that is around
That's just a steal.
3,200
That's a
USD.
steal.
Yeah. And now to get any shopping totes is 5,500
Yeah.
USD.
Yeah, it's gone up so much, and I
Yes.
think are they doing another markup?
Yes, rumor is they're having another price increase March 2024, but it's just a rumor now. It's not 100% confirmed, but are we really surprised if they are?
No, we're not.
They
We're
have a
not.
history of constantly.
So tell me what you're going to be putting in this bag.
I'm putting in my laptop first, my kids' iPads, because my kids have two. I have two.
You have two.
I have two iPads I need to put
Yeah.
in there. So there are two iPads go in there, a water bottle for myself, also my husband's stuff, because he's like that. He's like, hey, if I pay for some of your bags, can I use some of those bags? And I was like, okay.
Can you hold my keys? Can you hold my wallet?
Exactly. Can you
My
put
husband does
could
that.
I put my sweater in there? Damn, you can pay for bigger bags, okay? If you want to use that real estate.
thing. He's like, hey, can you hold my keys?
Yeah,
Throw it
everything,
in there.
everything.
I
Yeah.
didn't bring a bag for your stuff. It's for mine.
And then I love that it has two zippered compartments. And what's great about this is also I get custom organizers from Samorga, and they custom make it so that it fits exactly, and then has the dividers. So
Organization
everything and
is
anything.
key.
And the newer Deauville,
Yes, they have-
Deauville totes have the pouch.
Yes.
This one didn't. But you can attach
You can
anything
attach your
to it.
keys.
Yeah, you can attach
Yeah.
a key, your key pouch, or anything that you don't want accidentally stolen. And it's so easy to get in and out of because if you just leave it opened, it's still like naturally closes.
Yeah.
And it has a magnetic closure if you just want that extra extra security.
This bag, I have to point this out. Chanel, the chain.
Yeah, you can tell. And
Look at this.
Right here. You want a more discreet bag? Flip it around. Nothing going on here. You would think
never
it's
know.
nothing. Yeah, and that's the one thing I don't like about totes. Like the Louis Vuitton tote doesn't have that closure because it has the clasp.
But you're gonna be like,
It's too inconvenient.
yeah, you're messing with it.
Same with the Louis Vuitton Neverfull tote. Doesn't have that easy closure, but Chanel really did it well with this magnetic closure.
I
like
love
that.
it.
Like that.
And a lot of their bags now have magnets.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm not mad about it. So if you, Chanel, if you keep raising your prices, please add more features.
I might be able to open your door for you.
Yes. Okay, so show me your
My
last
last bag is hands down the classic Goyard. I have the same exact bag, and I have to circle back to being a pet mom when my puppy was tiny. I actually put her in here.
You would put her. Actually, I could see it.
I actually did, and I know that Goyard has their own dog bags with, you know, the cutout, but let's be real, like if you, this is such a versatile bag, laptop, dogs, anything, and I was just
It's so lightweight. I'm sorry, I had to say it. I have to say it because compared to all of these totes, I'm sorry, once I pack this,
it's heavy.
that's my
it's hurting
arm
your
workout
shoulder.
for the day. This too, with the thin straps, my shoulder needs to see a chiropractor after.
Sorry.
And, this is heavy by itself a little bit. Like compared to this.
This is such a lightweight.
So lightweight.
This is durable. When Tammy talked about durability and things spilling, and you know, you've got those children, the canvas is such an easy bag to clean. I actually did spill my hand sanitizer inside my bag. It didn't stain.
It didn't stain.
It did not stain.
Like, did it do anything to the outside print?
Nothing.
With Louis Vuitton, you guys, let me tell you, if you spill, I saw a picture because Luxe du Jour has their own bag spa inside. Someone spilled hand sanitizer through the Louis Vuitton. The canvas print also like comes off a little bit.
Yeah, it sort of peel.
I don't know how I would explain it, but the alcohol through it washes out the print.
Yeah, and I'm really sorry. I should have taken the bubble wrap before take it out, but I'm going to just take a little bit.
Because if you take that bubble wrap out, it flops over.
Love that. So that's why I like this bag, because it's so soft and durable. My favorite part is this also.
The little mini pouch.
You get this. And again, for the organizational girlies, this is where you're going to put something that you know you're just going to grab and go.
What would you put in there?
I actually put a reusable bag in here.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm not fumbling around to try that reusable bag when they're asking you, would you like a bag? Would you like a bag for 10 cents?
A reusable bag in here. Yeah. I need you to show me if that is really possible.
Yeah. So one of those soft nylon reusable bags, I put it in there because every time I go shopping, they ask me, would you like a bag?
Wow.
I already have mine.
Can I say something? I'll have a little confession. I personally don't own any Goyards because I think the quality is so flimsy.
Really? See, and I like that. I love how easy it just, because I know I can throw it around. I don't have any guilt about, you know, a higher end bag where I'm just going to throw it on the ground. Yeah. And that's it.
So much money to be paying for something that doesn't stand out. That doesn't stand up on its own. Like it just, it's like, it reminds me of Longchamp. You know, like similar to Longchamp.
And I do like Longchamp bags too because they're those.
But Longchamp's only $200.
Exactly.
Like, right?
Yeah. But this,
that's just my opinion. That's my confession, you guys. I don't think I will ever own a Goyard.
So you prefer more structure?
I like structure. Yeah.
Well, tell us what you prefer: more structure or the flexibility.
Yeah.
And remember, I'm luxejour.claudia.
And I'm luxejour.tammy.
And we are so excited to hear your opinions about what mom bag you would pick.
Yeah, what's your go-to mom bag? And let us know if there's any bags you want to review. And if you like videos like this, all we do is talk designer luxury. So subscribe, hit that like button, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.